Hi friends, I am presenting today what I made during this lockdown. It's an improved version of my earlier LED infinity mirror clock. So what I have done, I have taken away the clock facility from my earlier version and I have made it this time Wi-Fi controlled, and this beautiful LED mirror can be controlled from internet from anywhere also. So you can customize it with the colors and the patterns whatever you like, and it has the features of auto on and auto off. And now I will show how it works. So friends, here you can see this is the Blink app. Let me zoom in. Here you can see this is the Blink app, and now I can control the colors with this. Just slide it and you can see how it changes color. So here it is, whatever color you want you can do. Let me turn it to white. Wow, so the actual colors are more beautiful, but anyhow I am not able to capture it with my mobile phone. See here, and it is Wi-Fi controlled, and I can on it off, switch on and off by this button. Now it is switched off. So it is how it looks. Now switching it on. It has beautiful patterns. Let us see one pattern, and you can see it is a RGB wheel, and I can control the brightness. See here I am controlling the brightness. I have reduced the brightness, and now I am reducing the delay. So the speed of this you can see has increased, and now I increase the delay, so the speed is reduced, and like that. And I have a pause button also in this, so I can pause it anywhere. And now I will show you some of the patterns. It is one of the pattern RGB propeller. Now I will show you rainbow loop. And few more patterns. And this is another rainbow loop, which is a variant of my earlier version. And now this is another pattern. This is RWB March. Let me increase the brightness a little bit. Actual colors are not as bright in the video as the actual mirror is having. It is one of the other patterns. Now I will show you some other pattern. This is also one of the beautiful pattern. and I have inbuilt a demo mode. So if I select demo mode, all the patterns will be run one by one. And now I will show you one more pattern. And you can select the colors whatever you like, and the intensity or brightness as well. Let me show you one of rainbow fade model. Now this is the rainbow fade, and I am increasing the delay so you can see how beautiful are the colors. Let me increase the brightness a little bit. So now I can show you the depth. You can see it is very deep. Wow, and very beautiful. Thank you friends. If you are interested how I made it, so please write down in the comment section, and I will give you the links, and as well as the guys who are interested, I will tell what are the items needed and how much does it cost. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.